Hi, welcome to Inside Home YouTube channel. Today, we explore a home blending traditional, transitional, and contemporary styles with a touch of maximalism. Expect classic lines, a mix of neutral and bold colors creating visually compelling spaces. A modern dining room showcases a vibrant abstract painting on a textured wall, paired with a sleek table, contemporary chairs, and a minimalist chandelier for a stylish, artistic touch. Dramatic navy walls set the stage, while a vibrant gallery wall, plush purple sofa, and patterned seating create a sophisticated, inviting feel. Rustic and modern elements blend seamlessly, with a stone fireplace grounding the space, vibrant art adding contrast, and plush seating ensuring stylish comfort. Bold navy cabinetry anchors this transitional kitchen, contrasting with light surfaces and marble. Gold accents and a geometric backsplash add modern elegance and balance. This design features soft blue cabinetry, a geometric backsplash, and gold accents, creating a stylish and functional space. This interior design blends luxury and practicality, with a serene bedroom featuring purple floral wallpaper and elegant furniture. The well-organized closet combines sleek storage solutions with stylish finishes, creating a balanced and refined space. This bathroom blends modern elegance and functionality, with a freestanding tub, glass shower, and warm wood vanity. Brass fixtures and fresh flowers enhance its luxurious, welcoming feel. This lilac foyer is enriched by vibrant floral art, a plum accent wall, and a gilded console, with a patterned rug and green armchair adding depth and sophistication to the space. Neutral grays accent the architecture, with a chaise lounge and round table defining zones, and a starburst light adding modern flair.